Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this is part 2 of Savannah haul for the clothes. We have done part 1 on the bags and it's uploaded on my channel on YouTube. Let's unbox this now. So my parcel arrived in two parts. One was this box and the first one was the bag which I showed previously. The first item I got is the button cord set in the color khaki for 1267 rupees. So the fabric has a bit of linen finish to it. The fabric was good, but I am not going to keep this, I feel, because the buttons are a little troublesome for me as they were a bit tacky and a bit huge from the normal buttons which come in the dresses. It was taking a lot of time to remove them or even to put them back on. Personally, I love this fit, but I'm a little heavily busted, so it was not fitting properly on my chest. I've attached the video over here. I was a bit uncomfortable, but this is a very chic and elegant piece for the office wear. Next we have is the button straight leg pants for 1251 rupees. Even this fabric was good. I like the pants, like they are a bit flowy, do not cling to your legs, they are wide legged, so I wanted a pant like this in brown color and I love the fit and I'm going to keep this one. The fabric is super soft and comfortable for long office hours or any party or other occasions. Next we have this embroidered pullover t-shirt for 590 rupees. Honestly, I did not like the fabric much. It's a bit transparent and I loved the design, but the fabric is very transparent, so I'm going to return this piece. I loved it, but still it was giving a bit cheap vibes, and obviously the fabric was going to roll out, as in the lengths were going to come out of that fabric, so I'm returning it. Next, I ordered this asymmetric A-line dress for 1490 rupees. The fabric is really soft and nice, and I loved the feel of the fabric. The neck was a little complicated, as in I was not able to understand how to wear it. I literally went back on the app and saw the photo and then I tried it. So that's the result. I loved the dress, but the neck was a bit off for me, so I'm going to return this one. Next, I ordered pinstrip halter wrap front waistcoat for 990 rupees. The quality of this material was not worth 990 and it was a little uncomfortable for me to wear, as I've stated the reason. It is not so good for my body type, but somebody with smaller bust can literally pull this off in a chic way. Next we have is the off shoulder cross rib top for rupees 790. The material is super good. I loved it. It's sturdy and it won't make you sweaty also. It took some time for me to figure out how to wear this one, but finally I am able to wear it, and just look at it, how cute it looks. I mean, I just love this top. I'm definitely keeping this one. It's good for casual as well as party wear kind of date nights also. Next, I got this ribbon tank top for 590 rupees. I love this top's design, but again, the material was very thin, and I do not like thin materials. I cannot pull them off. That's what I feel. And even there was a little patch over the chest area, which was very difficult for me to handle. So, again, returning this one. Those are the pieces from Savannah which I bought, and I'm going to keep those which I loved, as I said in the video. Let me know in the comment section which one you liked the most. Also, like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Till then, toodles.